Facebook, YouTube. How you guys doing today? I just got back doing some estimates. I got some more on the schedule later today. I want to take a moment, guys, and talk to my friends on Facebook and YouTube and clients and the ones that are thinking about hiring us. Who is AO Cleaning? Well, we're a professional floor care maintenance company as well as duct cleaning company. So if you have floors and ducts, we got you covered. Okay. What we do is we provide professional services for your floor care. So a lot of times flooring companies will sell you flooring but don't teach you how to maintain it. Well, that's where we come in. We like to educate you on the proper fundamentals of how to maintain and clean your floor. We save floors all day long. So not only do we do carpet, which is in our name, we also service our other division, hardwood. So we do clean and buffs, we do wax removal, we do screen and recoats, and we also do sanding. Okay, those are the 4 options of hardwood. And we also service laminate, engineered, VCT, luxury vinyl planks like this, and maintain it for you guys, as well as carpet and upholstery. And we also do tile and grout cleaning. So just a plethora of services there. Basically, in short, if you walk on it, we work on it. Okay, as well as duct cleaning and vents and dryer vent cleaning, because the air you breathe is so crucial to a healthy indoor environment. And that's where we come in, guys. We like to create healthier indoor environments for you and your loved ones. So homeowners, please, if you haven't visited our website, aoclean.com, or you're kicking around, how you can maintain your floors, please don't buy new floors. Give AO Cleaning a shot. We got you covered. Also, we are located in Columbia, Illinois. We service a 25-mile radius of our great location. And we've been doing this for 20 years. So again, we have a great safety team. We have great technicians that love to serve and be of service. We're very passionate about what we do, and we will never deviate from that. So when you hire our service, not only do we have a service provider for a lifetime, but you also make a friend. So again, I invite you to give AO Cleaning a call. If you have any questions, you can find us on all the social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google. See all our videos and testimonials and reviews, as well as you can give us a good old-fashioned call. So again, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. Appreciate your business, your loyalty, and again, thanks for tuning in.